Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own anchor links or jump links as they're often called. So I'm on a page called anchor links here, and this isn't limited to just pages. We can actually use a portal as well, anything where we can access this editor really. And so how this is going to work is, first thing I'm going to do is I have Lipsum opened on the other tab here, just to generate some kind of random content for me. Let's go and paste that in there and then publish. Alright, so nothing really special going on here. All I'm doing is just generating some content where I have to essentially scroll down. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create an anchor, and in Cyberschool the way we do that is I'm going to use this little flag here called anchor. Take that, and I'm just going to say top, and okay. So now I get a little flag in my content there. Alright, next I'm going to go to the right side, create a link. I'm going to call this back to top, and I'm going to change the link type to link to anchor and text. That's what that link to anchor and text is for. And I'm going to access the by anchor name and say top. Click OK. Publish now. So notice I don't see anything about the anchor in the actual content. Now if I scroll to the bottom, I have my back to top link. I'm going to click that, and I jump straight to the top. So that's how anchors work. So I have this back to top here called top. Now I can actually do something else as well. Let me go ahead and I'm going to create a section here. I'll call this anchor, anchor 1, for example. Make that boldface, and I'm going to put a little anchor there also. I'll call this anchor 1. Okay, and what I'm going to do is say jump to anchor 1. Make that a link to anchor in text, anchor 1. Okay. Now, you didn't really see what was going on there, but the top of the browser, the top up here where all my shortcuts start, that's going to be, or it's going to jump down the page until this anchor here actually hits that top part. So I'm going to click jump to anchor 1. And then as soon as I scroll up a little bit, then the anchor appears there. So how do we do this? Okay, how do we do this from a separate page? If I have another page, let me create a new page. I'll call this anchor links. Oops. Links 2. And yes, I can do this from another page. So I'm going to keep the anchor 1 in my head there. Actually, I'm going to tweak that a little bit. Let me edit the anchor. And I don't like the idea of spaces in my anchor there. Anchor 1 there. Okay. Cool. And so in this anchor links 2, I'm going to create a link. And I'm going to say jump to anchor links. Oops. Anchor links 1 at anchor 1. Alright, so the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go ahead and jump to this page. Let's copy that. And the way we access an anchor is use a pound sign anchor 1, the same name as the anchor that I placed there. Okay, I'm going to click that. And see, I start at the anchor just as if I clicked that jump to anchor 1 there. Alright, so that's how we use anchor links in Cyberschool.